गोंयांत मोठ्या प्रमाणात सिंधी समाज एकोप्यान रावता। मडगांवांत सिंधी समाजाच्या लोकांनी गुढीपाडव्याक नवे वर्स तांचे परंपरेन मोठ्या उत्साहान मनयले। सिंधी समाजाचो नवे वर्साचो उत्सव
Jai Jhulelal. I'm Kavita Asnani, and we all here are very happy as we celebrate our New Year's with our friends and family. Today, on the auspicious occasion of birthday of our Ishtadev, Sai Jhulelal, we are all here. All through the year you may see us all around in different clothing, but today as you see here, people are dressed specially. We wear a topi, which is a symbol of Sindhi language. And the origin of Sindhi was by Lal Jhulelal. Lal Jhulelal Sai, asa Sindhin jo Sai. Sai means Guru. So we may believe in all the religions, we may believe in all the gods, but first at our center, at our core comes Jhulelal Sai. So we are all coming together here from different parts of Goa, coming together with our children, with our families. We eat together, we dance together, and we have all the Sindhi delicacies, Sindhi dance, Sindhi lada, what we say, and we celebrate our rituals in all the possible ways and cherish it throughout the year.
This is being celebrated as with pomp and gaiety from all our Sindhi members present in Goa. We have Sindhis coming from Madgaon, Ponda, Panjim, Vasco. We all come together and sing and dance on this auspicious day. Cheti Chand marks the birthday of Lord Jhulelal, who is our Ishtadev, and this is a great opportunity for all of us to be under one roof and celebrate this big day.
Ayo Lal Jhulelal.
गोंय खेळा प्राधिकरण खासा भुरग्यां खातीर अंदूच्यान राज्य पावंड्यार खासा खेळा सर्ती घेता। ह्या सर्तीचे माळेंत SAGन हालींच रिंगोस्टीक सर्त दवरिल्ली। बांबोळे एथलेटिक स्टेडियमार जाल्ले ह्या सर्तींत बौद्धीक आनी कर्णबधीर मेळून 30 टिमींनी वांटो घेतिल्लो। रिंगोस्टीक खासा सर्तीची खिणचित्रां। हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता। खबर तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सएप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।